How to add new contact in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to add a contact, then simply open phone and then write a number, and if you want to add it, then on top right corner you can see the option plus. Now click on it and then click on add to existing contact, and here you can search a contact. If you can't find, then go back and click on create new contact. Now here you can write a name, last name, company, add phone, add email, add pronouns, ringtone, add URL, add address, add birthday. Now here you can add anything and then click on done. So this is the way to add new contact in iPhone. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.